I'm behind or in the sink with the dishwasher right there. And I put up this piece here. And this was above it. Or I should say this was below it. As such. Something like that. Or maybe the other way. Oh yeah, it was turned upside down. For the wiring. See the wires? See the wires? That's what I had there. And there was a piece of linoleum stuck there going right up here. So I just want to point that out because I'm going to be putting this back together again after we get the new washer in this week or early next week. Yeah, we bought a dishwasher yesterday. So my wife says there's something behind here. And so this piece here and this piece here insulated. That's insulated. Boom. Let me get underneath because she wants to see this floor. She says there's something behind here that smells. Well, mouse droppings. Mouse droppings. I don't see anything else.